They slab.
I got 100 bobbers to decorate a tree, so it's okay.
It's a bunch of crappie guys out of the creek.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next episode of Wiley Boys. We are at the same creek you probably saw the last video in. It wasn't good enough for us. We had to come back and try it out again. The weather conditions. It was good enough
for us to come back though.
Yes, it was good enough for us to come back though. The weather conditions are way different today than raining, so.
And cloudy.
All day.
So we're hoping the bite lasts a little bit longer today, so that's what we're out here to test. We don't know.
We don't really do a whole lot of crappie fishing that much, so it's pretty cool that we were finding them in the creeks this early and we're chasing them. So now we're trying to figure out patterns, and it's raining. Yeah. We're hiding right now under a tree. Hopefully the rain subsides. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe. It's raining. We're out here fishing in the rain.
Shout out to ACC.
For the gear.
For the rods.
But we're out here chasing these white crappie in these creeks, so stay tuned. Should be a good one today, guys.
Adios amigos.
Later.
Today we starting off with a 1/8 ounce jig head, little baby shad color crappie jig, 2-foot leader and a little bobber.
Who's gonna be the first one on the board today, boys? Not y'all. That looks like a keeper too, guys. Nice little crappie. Definitely a keeper, and he's freezing cold on that. I'll show y'all the setup I'm using. This is kind of crazy how shallow these guys are. Throwing a bobber with like literally a foot leader, tied on a 1/8 jig by ACC with the Bobby Garland Monkey's Milk colorway. This thing is lethal, especially in the creeks right now. Winter crappie are pushing up. It's time to get out there, guys. Little dinkies. Story of my life, guys. 9 3/4. It's just too small to keep. On the board, number 1, looking. Fishing in the rain for these crappie. It looks like the rain's kind of picking up. Now the objective is to replicate the same cast over and over again. Put the jig right in the face. Typically when there's one crappie, there's probably 10. Double up with Ivan. As soon as it hit the water. Number 2 of the day. Chasing these creek crappie. Nothing better feeling than looking up and your bobber be under the water and the crappie on the other side, even if it's a small one. I'll take it. Just want to keep casting straight at those brush piles that you caught the first one on, because there's probably 10 more underneath. And just jig it back slowly.
There we go. Took a little while, but we got one. He's pushing the keeper. He's freezing. It's a nice crappie. Bro, I saw that fish come up and hit that. That was crazy. That might be a keep. He's pushing. That fish came up and smashed that. Yeah, that's a keeper, guys. Got 10.5. That's not a keeper, guys, but it's a fun little fish to catch. It's our second day out here, and this spot is on fire. Just short and stuffy. Dude, look at this fish. Look how weird he's shaped.
Like a perch.
Yeah, look, it's so weird.
It's raining. We're under the tree, trying to stay dry. We're gonna be out here for a while, so, and look, the rain. So yeah, we're gonna try to wait it out a little bit longer. We'll give it an hour and see what happens. The rain has subsided a little bit more, so we're back out here trying again. It's gonna be a back and forth kind of ordeal. Looks like the rain's coming in waves. All for the white crappie.
Damn it, bro.
It sucks to suck.
God.
You're right, he is getting got, a little white bass. Caught a keeper white bass. No, I'm just kidding. Ow. He hammered that, guys. Just like y'all should hammer that like button. Right between those trees. exactly where you want to be. I beg to differ. Slab. Right between those trees, guys, that's where you want to cast. Structure. These big slab crappies are sitting on structure. Little dink. Freezing cold dink. Hey, we'll take them. Another pretty fish, dude. This is like my favorite fish, I think. Just the way it looks, it's so cool. Especially the black ones when they have their tuxedos on. Look at that fucking cast, bro. Right on their heads. Just cast it and leave it there. Look.
Double up.
Double up.
Is that a good one? Dang, the sandies are here. Double up.
Dude, that's crazy. Who would have guessed?
This is like live bait.
My sandy fell. He's trying.
I bet you catch like a 10-pound bass on that thing.
Let me see if I can help him out. See, he got away. Perfect. Right on their heads again.
Is that where you're catching them?
Yep, that little cove.
I'm coming in there.
Like that. Fish on. Slab.
Yeah, they're over there. You ain't lying.
Just another. Hey, stay in your own corner.
Doubled up again? Back to back double up?
You think so?
Cheers,
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna measure it now. 10.
Bro, they're over there. I think that's a keeper. Well, just doubled up on some keepers. Such a beautiful looking fish. Little dots. Little dots on it. Yeah, that's a keep. See? Look at it. Hit the water. That was a crazy fish to catch. Just cast it out right on his head. Not a keeper, but a fun fish. I feel like once it completely stops raining, it should be gas. Might be another keep. It's gonna be close. Nope, 9.5. I mean, at least we've been able to fish for like 20 minutes straight. Sandy. Oh no, it is a crab. Damn, he's fighting like Sandy. That's definitely a keeper. 10 1/4. A lot more keepers today. Dang, back-to-back keepers. Take that, guys. It's a sandy, huh? $10.25. Was it a crappie? I mean, if you want, you can take my my stringer.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Double up. That one feels like a keeper. I don't know. I'm about to measure this guy.
That's crazy. We got triple up on crappies. Everybody's reeling them in.
Choked that, guys. Tripled up on crappie, yeah.
Maybe those spots are good.
Fish on. Looks like a slab. I don't know, I have to measure this guy too. No, he definitely looks like a keeper.
Are they back over there?
You stay right where you're at. I don't know what number I'm on, but that'll do. And that's a keeper. No more rain. I'll take this sprinkle over any other sprinkle. A light sprinkle. All I'm doing is casting all the way in between these two trees, letting it sink. Every time we say something, rain comes back.
To give you all a live update, this is what we're dealing with today. I don't know how well y'all can tell, it's pouring out there. Literally sitting underneath a tree branch, staying a little dry, pants are dry, my jacket's soaked. They found some trees over there to hide under, but it is crazy weather out here, guys. But apparently this is what these crappie love. As soon as this rain stops, we go out there and catch some. So we're gonna see how many times we can do this today. That's why you didn't get in the tree. Oh my geez. That is a hog, bro. That is a giant, guys. The mouth on that thing. He choked that jig. That thing is massive. Little skipper. This one's gonna be close, guys. Yep, that fish is 9 3/4. Another slab. Keeper crappie are stacked over there, guys. It's another one, guys. Fish is over 11. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. These crappies are just hiding on structure, guys. Nice, pretty fish. But it's definitely not a keeper.
Oh, there he is. It's another one. I don't think that's gonna be a keeper though. It's gonna be close. No, that's a keeper. It's another crappie, guys. It's a white crappie.
They're hiding under a tree like, is it good yet? It's a nice sized crappie. Choked it. He wanted that. He wanted that monkey's milk.
We walk out of here with 75 crappie, bro.
We're splitting it on here.
It's another close keeper. I don't know. Doubled up though, huh?
Double up. I can't get this jig out.
I don't think that's gonna keep. No keep. No keeper way.
Well, I don't know what number we're on, but I think that's a keeper. I'm gonna measure him real quick. Yeah, dinker than dink. And I catch a slab. What is good? Bro, what the actual? Because I was just gonna, because I just started reeling in. Bro, it's all right. I got the end of it. It's just gonna be cut out a little bit, but what the hell, dude? That's the fattest one of the day for me. Off to a good start. Right after the rain, these fat crappie start moving into these creeks. Slab. It's definitely a keeper. I'm gonna measure him though for just to be safe, but another fat slab out of a creek. Yep, my fish is pushing 10.5. Got a nice healthy looking stringer. Just casting out there, jigging slowly.
Another keeper. Had a Caleb's hole. I stole Caleb's fish. That's alright. Uh-oh. It's gonna be close. He hit that right when he hit the water. That was crazy. Literally landed on his head. Sniped that fish. It's a keeper. That's a keeper, guys.
Might as well go right now, just get it over.
Basically back-to-back fish. Double up.
Double up.
Double up on some crappie.
That one might be a keep too.
Maybe. 9 3/4. That's where you right want to be, guys. You just want to let your bubber sit there for just a second. The fish are gonna hit it. Just gotta give them time to realize you're there. Right now I'm knocking on their front door. I'm ringing the doorbell.
Here we go, guys. Saw my bobber go sideways. I was like, what? Set the hook and there's a crappie. Don't know if he'll keep though. Like 9 3/4. I don't know, maybe there's more here and they just want to see a different color. I don't know. Yep, that is what they want. I changed the color, got hit, bro. Right when I changed the color, first cast. Just some random like blue color on, bro. That's what's up. Might be a keeper too. Yep, 10.5. First cast right when I switched colors.
Should just shut off. Let's go if you want to go.
Oh my god. Bro, I can't even lift this fish up, he's so big. That is a hog, guys. Oh my god, bro. Just pulled an absolute toad out of this hole, bro. Look at the size of that crappie. That's like a 2-pound crappie all day. Oh my god. I think it's a toad, guys. Just ripped him right out of this hole right down here. Dude, that might be my PB crappie. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Do you? Let's weigh this thing, bro. This is definitely a 2-pounder, bro. This thing is giant. Alright, guys. Scale zeroed up. Weigh this fish. I'm guessing somewhere close to 2 or over 2. It's 1.5. Not as big as I thought, but that is still a giant creek crappie, guys. This is a slab. It's a 14-inch crappie. Another crappie right out of this hole, guys. I don't know if this one will keep, but it's gonna be close, real close. It's another keeper, guys. 10.5. I'll take it.
No cap, I'm wet as. That's a massive one. Holy.
Just a bunch of crappie, guys, out of the creek.
And one massive sand bass on there somewhere. These fish, yeah, there he is. Well, it was good enough to come back, and it was good today. The weather definitely, I feel like they kind of turned off and moved around, or maybe we caught them all out of the one hole that we were standing at the beginning.
Yeah, we did rip a bunch out, so that's possible.
All you see right now is just shad jumping. I mean, it still looks like it's promising, but you know, we ain't catching as much keepers as we were earlier. But that being said, we're gonna call it, and it was a good day overall. Caught a monster ass crappie.
Yeah, I did catch a monster creek crappie for sure.
1.5 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun.
From a crazy spots, yeah.
Tons of dinks still in the creeks. I mean, you just gotta whittle out the dinks to get the keepers, but I would say in about 2 or 3 weeks, all the keepers will be up here too. So
yeah, hopefully they'll be way more stacked.
I think the colder weather just pushes them in. Early morning seems to be the key right now. We ain't catching really a lot more like during the day.
Yeah, from like 8 to 10 a.m. seems to be the range, and then after that, just you gotta go hunt them down, you know. Look on the structure a little bit. We've been hopping around a few different spots, and we've only caught like 2 or 3 more. So.
And it honestly makes you, when you don't catch one for a while, it's defeating as hell.
Yeah, especially when you're catching one every cast in the morning, and then you have to go look for one.
Oh well.
Oh well.
All right, we're out.
All right, yeah.
Peace. Like and subscribe.